my YouTube channel. So today with me I have the second video of the YouTube Beginners Playlist 2020, and today we have with me, yes guys, this is the product. So this is the Ulanzi MT-03 mini tripod, and today I'm going to talk about this one. So guys, this is the product right here. So in today's video we are going to cover the unboxing, features, how to use, weight test, and I'm also going to tell you why you should invest in this product only instead of any other more expensive brands like Manfrotto, Mini Pixie or the Pixie Go 2. Alright guys, let's proceed with the video and we will come to the unboxing part first. But before that, I'm going to request you to please pause the video for 2 seconds and please subscribe to my channel, because you know it helps my channel grow and I could really use the help. Alright guys, we have the Amazon package here. This is what the package looks like. So let's start with the unboxing. Alright guys, we have finally got the product out. Let's see where we have the bill. So here we have the bill with us, as you can see. So let's keep this aside. So guys, finally we have got the product here. Oh, it's opened already. This is the product, as you can see. I'm showing it around. The packaging is quite nice, I must say. Ulanzi MT-03 mini tripod. Alright, let's open this. Alright guys, we finally got the product out. And guys, this is the product, as you can see. This is a mini tabletop tripod. You can also use it like this as a vlogging stick if you want to. It's got a rotatable ball head. Even you can rotate it up like 90 degrees because it has this opening here. And when done, you can just close this and tighten this up. This opens this much. This is a tabletop tripod. It doesn't open much. Only this much. Let's tighten the ball head up. Alright guys, in the next few shots I'm gonna show you how I place my camera and my mobile on the ball head, which is fitted on this mini tripod. Magic. Alright guys, now I'm going to talk about the features. So this is the actual mini tripod, this here. Along with that we get a ball head, right? The ball head looks like this. I'm going to fit this here. I must also say that this is a very sturdy ball head. You'll get to know as we continue the video. And we get another thing, which is a resting plate for either your smartphone holder or the camera which you're going to use. Let me mount it. Here you've got it, and now you've got to place it on your table like this. It can take quite a bit of load. We are going to talk about that later. And before I forget, I must also tell you that it also has some rubber implantations here which help in the friction when you are placing it on the table. Alright guys, now we have come to the most important part of the video, where I will show you how to mount your camera and your phone onto the mini tripod, and along with that I am also going to tell you about the weight limit of this product. So let's start with the camera. It's a simple screwing mechanism. You just have to screw this in, rotate this, and this will work. and this is the ball head. First of all, let me go to the table. And now I've got a few important things to tell you, that the specified weight limit, the payload limit of this product is 2.5 kg with a safety payload of about 1.2 kg. My camera weighs 1062 grams and you can see that it can almost easily hold it. I'm being a bit rough like this, though I don't recommend you do this, just for the sake of the video I'm doing this. And as I told you in the short while ago also, that the ball head is of quite a good quality. When at this price, it can hold the weight of the camera. This is a DSLR, this is not a mirrorless camera, it's quite heavy, 1062 grams. And I can even change the angle of the ball head. Like, I want to do like this, tighten this up. And even then, this ball head is not bending. So I must say that this is really good quality from the brand. Alright guys, now we'll repeat the procedure with the phone also. I have my phone mounted on a holder. And we'll do the same thing with the phone. The weight of my phone is 207 grams, as you can see. Oops. Now it's quite obvious that if it could hold the weight of such a heavy DSLR, then it can hold the weight of the phone also. So this is how it's going to look. That's it. Alright guys, now coming to the comparison part, and here I'll tell you why you need to go for this product instead of any other. Well, if you compare this with the Manfrotto Mini Pixie, the Mini Pixie has a maximum weight limit of 1 kg at this price, and if you needed to get a 2.5 kg weight limit such as this one from Manfrotto, then you would have to go for the Pixie Evo, which costs thrice as much as this one. So now you know which one to buy. Well guys, I'm actually recording this with my DSLR placed on the mini tripod, which is placed right here on my table, and I hope I could help you out with this video, and I could provide some information which you could have used. And if you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and please support my channel. Thank you. Bye.